Hey, Python 3.14 is out, so let's see what we got. We have improvements to the REPL, smarter error messages, new syntax features, updates in type hit handling, and some performance tweaks. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect and what to look forward to. So, first things first. Yes, you can use Python to open the Python 3.14 interactive interpreter in some Linux distros. And now that we're here, we can immediately notice the nicer looking REPL. We have colors now. And we have auto-completions of module names inside import statements. Next, we have smarter error messages. The interpreter now provides helpful suggestions when it detects typos in the Python keywords. Here, we can immediately see what the issue is, while in the previous versions, we only see syntax error. These are not significant changes, but they could be really helpful for beginners. Now, let's see some new syntax features. First, the coolest looking one, looking exactly like the F strings, but with a T. The template strings are actually a bit different than the F strings because they actually keep all the data. For example, in an F string, everything is converted to a string right after this line. But if we use T strings, we can see all of the components. This string shows us all of the elements, and while we can reconstruct the string as it was, that's not really the point. The biggest benefit of this would be to sanitize user input, for example, in HTML or SQL, make safe shell operations, improve loading, etc. Another cool syntax feature is the removal of parentheses for multiple exceptions. I mean, to be honest, if someone asked me if there were parentheses in the current version, I wouldn't have known, but hey, it's a nice addition. Although, if you need to bind the code exception to a variable, you still need to add the parentheses. Now let's see some type hint improvements. The annotations are no longer evaluated eagerly. Instead, annotations are stored in special purpose annotation functions and evaluated only when necessary. It is no longer necessary to enclose annotations in strings if they contain forward references. CPython's free-threaded mode, initially added in 3.13, has significantly been improved in Python 3.14. There are other improvements made in this version that we're not gonna go over in this video. If you want to see more about those, please leave a comment.